Leading enterprise customers trust Tidal to manage their most critical applications and dependencies. Today we'll be demonstrating the importance of utilising Tidal in conjunction with your SAP environment. SAP background processing automates routine tasks and helps you to optimise your organisation's SAP computing resources. It lets you move long-running or resource-intensive program executions to times when the system load is lower. With our pre-built integrations for SAP, you can integrate and automate your SAP tasks within your enterprise processes. With Tidal, you'll be able to design cross-application business workflows featuring integrated file transfer, event triggers, and sophisticated business calendars, and manage them from a single point of control. Tidal's dynamic variable substitution and calculation can be applied to SAP variants to remove the need for multiple copies of SAP tasks. This will free up your developers from scheduling and monitoring so they can focus on higher value work. And the Tidal solutions shown today can be applied both to R3 and to ABAP for S4HANA. So here we have two SAP jobs which are defined within the context of a business workflow. In the first one, we're going to schedule an ABAP program. So you can see that in the SAP steps here, we can define one or more steps within this job. If we open up the step there, you can see that this one has a variant. We can view that variant. We could then override the variant, and we could override that with one of our Tidal variables. The other SAP job in this workflow is slightly different. We're going to look at the SAP steps again, but this time we're going to copy an existing SAP job. So if we hit the dots there, you can see that we've got all different job status types that we can look for. We'll look for the scheduled ones. We're looking under the username Tidal Sales to see which ones belong to me. And then we'll just refresh, and now you can see the choices that we have. So if I take this one, say OK, and you can see that it applies the steps up here. I can either import that or link it directly to the SAP job within the SAP system. And of course, now we've got the chance to schedule it, and it'll become effective today. The other things that we can apply, because this is in a Tidal group, is some information around the SLA window. So we've got some SLA risks and breaches that can be reported there. We're running it, of course, under a business calendar, and we've got the ability to track the critical path for this job. While that process is running, or when it's complete, there's an awful lot of information available in a variety of formats so that you can see exactly what's gone on during the run. You can view things in the PERT diagram as we see here. We've also got the critical path diagram, we've got DoubleTree diagrams, Gantt charts, etc. If we take a closer look at the jobs that we've run for SAP, we'll get a lot of details inside here. So for example, we've got information about the status of the job, the audit log, the output is appearing there. And for SAP jobs, we've got some very specific run information available there. You can see, for example, the job spool, we've got the job log. If we click on that, the log tab becomes available, and detailed information will be provided for each step of that job. So you can see that there's a rich amount of functionality built into Tidal for SAP. Other types of SAP tasks: IBP, info packages, process chains, SAP Java, and SAP PI and PO can also be defined in Tidal. So today we've seen that it's easy to define new jobs or incorporate existing SAP jobs into our Tidal business workflows. This allows you to take advantage of all of Tidal's advanced scheduling capabilities, such as business calendars, event-driven scheduling, business dashboards, and service level agreement compliance. And as you can see here, Tidal has a comprehensive range of adapters for SAP solutions. This concludes our demonstration of the Tidal SAP adapter. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see more information on the services that Tidal has to offer, please visit us at tidalsoftware.com or contact us at info@tidalsoftware.com. Thank you.